Learning how to change a shower head is a simple task that only takes a few minutes. Follow these simple steps to install a fixed mount, handheld, or dual combination shower head. Here's what you'll need. To remove the old shower head, try turning counterclockwise by hand. If you can't remove it by hand, wrap the jaws of slip joint pliers with electrical tape to protect the finish, then grip the shower arm with the pliers. Then, use an adjustable wrench to loosen and unscrew the old shower head. Clean off any rust, mineral deposits, old tape, or leftover sealant on the shower arm threads. When installing a fixed head shower head, first, wrap thread seal tape in a clockwise direction 2 or 3 times around the threads of the shower arm. Press the tape into the threads. Screw the fixed shower head replacement onto the shower arm and tighten. Turn on the water and check for leaks. If leaks occur, wrap with thread seal tape and carefully tighten with an adjustable wrench until there are no leaks. Attaching a handheld shower head is similar. After you screw the handheld shower mount onto the shower arm, connect the flexible hose to the mount and to the shower head. Then, place the shower head in the mount. To install a combo shower head, first attach a diverter that routes water from the shower head to the shower arm. Then screw the fixed mount shower head onto the end of the diverter and connect the flexible shower hose. A new shower head can reduce water use and save you money on your next bill. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.